Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will introduce the EPS block molding machine from an energy-saving perspective, steam water separation. First, the main steam pipeline uses a dual steam water separator before entering the EPS block molding machine, effectively reducing the steam moisture content. Heating system. To ensure stable production and efficient operation of the EPS block molding machine, the design of the heating system is particularly important. The heating system consists of a main steam ball valve and a dual steam water separator, which can minimize the moisture content of the steam. In addition, due to the high frequency of use of steam valves, the original 4 sets, front, back, up, and down, of ordinary butterfly valves have been upgraded to 4 sets of high-performance double eccentric butterfly valves. This improvement ensures the stability of the equipment and increases the precision of controlling the sheet maturity. Lifting platform. The steam inlet and exhaust system of the lifting platform operates synchronously with the platform movement, effectively saving steam usage. For more information about the EPS block molding machine, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.